Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to enable select to speak feature in your Redmi Pad. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings, click on additional settings, and now just simply click on this accessibility, vision, and here it is, select to speak. You have to enable it from here. Now just enable it from here and you will see this. Now just click on this. You have to select this and friends, you can see it is now speaking. If you want to turn it stop, just pause it. You can stop by this and remove by this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.